At Gowanda, we make high-quality, extremely reliable electronic components for demanding applications. The efficiency and dependability of our work sets us apart from the rest, and it's made possible by two key factors: vertical integration and an unflinching commitment to a made-in-the-USA strategy. Gowanda's family of locations, extensive capabilities, and technical expertise help us meet our customers' needs in a timely manner. Every step of the process, from design and engineering, to prototyping and testing, to manufacturing and certification, is done in-house across more than 200,000 square feet of facility space. This unique ability lets us provide quick turnaround and faster time to market for our customers. By collaborating with our OEM customers, we keep in contact and on track throughout the entire development process. This is essential when more than off-the-shelf components are required. Our in-house DLA-approved test lab equips us to perform the most rigorous environmental testing, assuring your components perform as expected, which is especially important for critical applications. While other companies set up electronic component manufacturing overseas, we have never swayed from our belief, going back to Gowanda's beginning in 1963, that our products should be made on U.S. soil. Thanks to our Made in USA strategy, we have complete control of quality at every step, so our customers get more reliable components faster and jobs stay right here in America. That's no small thing. If you have a need for high-quality, ultra-reliable electronic components, we encourage you to evaluate your options. But at the end of the day, you'll find that the best option sets up shop right here in the United States. Welcome to Gowanda. Let's talk about your next project.